Hello one, hope you all doing well. This is Tony. Today we'll be cooking ribeye steak. They are currently having a sale on ribeye at Fry's Supermarket at $8.99 a pound. So today we will be heading there to buy one ribeye steak to cook. Today we're going to be heading to Fry's Supermarket to get some ribeye steak. Ribeye is $8.99 a pound today. I'm waiting for the new one that's coming out. Hopefully they have more marbling in them. Just got my ribeye. This has so much marbling. It's only like $11.96. Oh my god. This steak gonna taste so good. It's not funny. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. Okay, let's head to my car right now. And we're gonna pretty much gonna go to like a small park to do some cooking. That's my car. My home on wheels. There it is. Let's head to the park. I'm here at a small park. I'm going to show you how I cook my steak today. To cook the ribeye steak today, I will be using resin, corning, glassware for cooking the ribeye steak. My other cast iron pan is rusted out, so I cannot use it today. So I gotta figure out how to clean the rust out of the old pan. So this one I'll be using today. I'm going to be using a stopwatch. We'll be using some garlic and some seasoning, salt and pepper on the ribeye, and some olive oil, and some classic rustic Italian bread. Okay, let's do this. I will be cooking the steak each side for like 4 to 5 minutes. Now it's already 2 minutes. I'm probably gonna put this maybe last, maybe. And then the bread's already ready. So yeah, I'm gonna go for I think it's gonna be medium. I'm going for medium. I'm not gonna go for rare. This rare is just too bloody for me. So I'm going to go for medium. I think medium. Not medium well, but medium. So that's what I'm gonna be shooting for. And it's 2 minutes away. Hopefully the steak will taste good. About 5 minutes. I'll be flipping the steak right now. They already flipped. Now I'll probably be cooking for another 5 minutes. I think I bought the steak a little bit too big, so so it doesn't fit the whole pan. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to cook this side. Yeah. Oh well. But at least one thing, this steak gonna fill me up, so and it's gonna be good. And I'm glad it's on sale for like $8.99 a pound. That's amazing. Normally it's like $17.99 a pound or $21.99 a pound for a ribeye steak. So I guess today it's having a sale. So just take it like it is, I guess. So. And yes, the sale won't be ending till this coming Tuesday. So I'm probably gonna buy some more ribeye steak tomorrow. So it's gonna be good in a couple of days. So it's gonna be awesome. So yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Well, hopefully in a couple of months, the ribeye steak will go down in prices. I'm hoping. You know, let's see what happens. Yeah, it's been a long time since I eat any ribeye, so I guess I'm lucky today. So I'm glad. You know what I mean? So I'm glad it's on sale today. So. And also, I'm pretty hungry too today too. So I'm hungry. So this meal is gonna be good. It's definitely gonna be a good meal tonight. Okay, we're about 2 minutes in, almost done. Okay, I think the steak dripped a little bit now. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna be cooking it at medium, not medium rare, medium. Yeah, but I might have a little bit of red inside, a little bit. So that's good. So I'm not gonna overdo it. Let's see here. Probably gonna give it 1 more minute on this side, and then I'll probably gonna cook the side, especially the fat. So I'll make sure the fat's cooked too. So it's gonna be cooked instead of rare. Yeah. So. And I don't know how well it's gonna cook with the glassware, because usually to cook a good ribeye steak, you need like a cast iron pan. But my cast iron pan is rusted today, so I cannot take any chance cooking with rust. Okay, so I'll be giving this a try. Glass pan instead. So hopefully it will be good. So let's see what happens. Okay, almost done. All right, let's flip it around. Let's cook on the side. Okay. It's time to sear the side, so to cook all the fat. But so far, it's getting good. It looks so tasty so far. Definitely gonna be good to eat. So. Because I always cook the side to make sure all the fatty is cooked. Because eating raw fat is not good for you. Okay, let me cook on this side and cook the other side. So far, so good. Wow. The fat looks good. Oh my god. I'm just glad that nobody's around here. So this side. So I'm gonna first thing for this side. Make sure it's cooked. Right. Now I'm gonna put it back for one more time. Yeah, I make sure that all the fat are seared, you know what I mean? So you get that good taste. I think this is done. Let me do this right here too. I'm gonna do one more side on this one. Make sure it's cooked. Alright. I'm gonna try to cook a little bit on the bone side too. Yeah, the steak won't be as good as the one on the cast iron pan because the cast iron pan is a lot hotter, so it's a lot better for cooking ribeye steak. Okay, I think it's almost done. Okay, I think it's done. I think it's done. Okay, the ribeye steak's done. And now it's the garlic. I'm gonna let the steak rest for 7 minutes before I eat. And the bread's ready also. So it's time for dinner. Right now, I will be cutting the steak to see what it tastes like. Hopefully it will taste good. This definitely is medium done for sure. Definitely medium done. Let me show you the meat. Hmm. I think this is medium done. So I can see this definitely is medium done here. I know I would like to have it like a little more rare, but oh well, when you're videotaping and shooting at the same time, it's kind of hard to focus. So, but hey, it's good, right? So it's a learning experience. So yeah, this one look okay. This one look okay right here. So that one look okay. So, either way, it's gonna be good anyway. So let's try it out. So and a lot of fat too. So mm, not bad, not bad at all. Tastes pretty good. Wow. I haven't noticed much difference really between a pan, iron skillet pan, and like a glass pan. So, I guess so. It's good either way, I guess so. I guess when you're hungry, everything tastes good. So, mm, tastes real good. And the bread too. Mm. Wow. Not bad at all. Mm. Like having like a $45 meal at a restaurant for like $11 something. Can't beat that, you know? So I'm happy. So not bad at all. So wow. This has the most oil here. Fatty oil. So it's good. So, mm, wow. Can't beat that. Oh my god. A lot of juicy fat flavor. So yeah, I'm pretty happy today. Really happy. So everything good. Cooking good. Very satisfying. So mm. And today's a nice day too, really. Really nice day today. So beautiful mountain right there too. So amazing view. It's definitely an amazing view though. So yeah. And I love Cottonwood. It's so relaxing here too. Very relaxing though. So no stress, no traffic. Yeah, it's pretty cozy and relaxing. So beautiful day too. So let me show you where I'm at. I'm at like a really, really small park. There's my car right there. A lot of dead tree here though. And here's the area. And you see that mountain there? That's close by Sedona. The mountain on top is like Sedona. It's probably about 15, 20 miles away probably. Right there. And some houses here. And it said no trespassing. So this is like some sort of like private park of some sort. But I guess the residential people that live here can use them, I guess. But so far I don't see anybody using them. I'm glad that nobody's using them. It's very quiet here to eat and relax. I hope you enjoy that video of me cooking ribeye steak. If you do, please give this video a like, comment on what you think of my ribeye, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. If you're just watching my video, please subscribe. Until next time, I will see you all.